Hey guys, we're back. Finally got internet so we can upload videos, so that's good. Get stuff downloaded. I just want to say we really appreciate you guys subscribing and still watching us, and we really appreciate that. I hope you enjoy the video.
I tell you a story about me and you, out on the water, surrounded by the blue. They scream that only I'll be saved. They toss off the line, but I just let it float away. Yeah, I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away. Float away, float away. Yeah, I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away.
Previously on Sailing Zatara.
We spent 2 weeks in the Galapagos Islands, hiking and playing on the beach and enjoying the vast wildlife each island had to offer. We also helped friends mend a sail and then began preparations for our big 3,000-mile Pacific Ocean crossing.
For my vlog again. This is day 2. Actually, we started yesterday at 1700 and it's 8 o'clock this morning. We've been motoring. We motored till about 3 o'clock in the morning to get past all the islands in the Galapagos motor cell. And then about 3 o'clock on jack shift, we put out the code 0, full main, and we've been averaging about 8 knots. Yeah, we're gonna stop the flapping on that sail.
And we did this without a life jacket? Holy crap. Finn.
Okay, hold still there, Jack.
Just keep an eye on Jack.
Hold on to the rope, not the sail.
And Anna.
Yeah, see, you gotta pull it some more. There you go. Make sure it's clamped off good. Good.
Pulling with his teeth.
Pull it all the way in. Yeah, there you go. All right. Make sure, there you go. Pull that string, Jack. Pull that string behind the string going down. There you go. All right. I'm gonna bring you back. day 8 o'clock in the morning, or 6 o'clock in the morning. Well, almost 7. Yesterday we got 160 miles, which is good. We still headed south. We're about 2.5 degrees south, 96 or 94 degrees west, and still heading down to about 4 degrees south, 97 west. We're just skirting along the edge of the doldrums, trying to get a little farther south and stay away from those. Winds are supposed to pick up later today. It was rough seas yesterday. It was a really rough ride most of the day yesterday because of just the wind, confused seas, so it wasn't very fun. It wasn't very comfortable. It was fine, but it's the second day of passage, rough, uncomfortable. My neck's sore from looking up at sails and trimming sails all day. This is day 3, so day 4 will be better. Tomorrow will be the hump day. Today's hump day, so tomorrow should be a lot better. Everybody's getting in the rhythm. Day 5, 6, and 7, everything really starts to get easy.
So today is Friday the 21st, and what's neat at night is that we have these seagulls that kind of join us and fly with us all night long. In our starboard light, it's green, and so I guess they're looking for food or something, I don't know, but it's really neat. I don't see them all day long, and then at night when I start my shift at 9 o'clock, I have all these birds, these seagulls, just flying alongside of me, just along for the ride, using my light.
Angels.
It's like they're little angels guiding us. It's kind of cool.
Kind of scared that we're healing over so far, cleaning, healing, whichever one it is, because I don't want to tip. Oh, and I don't have a cast on my wrist anymore. That's a good thing.
We're currently going 9 knots, and we're heeling over at about 8 degrees, 9, maybe 10. And we're not buddy boating with Tandem Malika anymore. I'm really sad about that. But you know, we'll catch up with them again at Marquesas.
Hey there. I just took a shower. It's a really liberating experience. Because when you're out here, you can't just jump in the water and rinse off. So you get showers like once a week. Oh, they're so relaxing and so cleansing. It was the highlight of my day. It really was.
Sucks. We're gonna have to go back to Santa Cruz.
No, we're not.
We can't go to the Pacific without
about another
Then
sail.
we have
a jib.
Yeah.
I was expecting that to happen.
What?
I was expecting that line to
The whole
break.
thing to bust?
Yeah.
Why?
Why?
There's the old seal up there. You can see it up there flapping around.
Jeez.
Alright, so the halyard snapped and code 0 fell into the water. Snapped up the top of the mast and we had to get that. Anna was on watch, it was her watch, and we had to get it going. Everybody got on deck. Anna immediately
Senator Boom.
centered the boom. We pulled in the main, turned into the wind, and got the sail on deck. Unfortunately, the sail's all unrolled, it's unfurled, so we've got a big wad of sail. We just stuffed it down into Jack's room, and we're gonna have to rerun that that halyard. And I've got some more line. I hope I have enough. I don't know if I've got enough, but it's too windy out here right now. The seas are rolling, and I don't know if we're gonna have enough line to rerun that. That code 0 is making us have a good time across here.
Yeah, we were going fast.
We're definitely going to need it. If we get the calm one day, well, then you're going to change that, see if we can't work that out. Shouldn't take more than 2 or 3 hours to re-rig a halyard up there and be ready to go again.
Like the 4th day. I started wait. Lord of the Rings. Can't really see that, but and that's about it.
Hey, so today is day 4, and we're making about 6 knots now. We lost our Jennifer halyard. Snapped last night, and so it slowed us down a little bit. So it's okay. It's been 4 days. We got a long way to go. It's fine. What do you think about this expedition across the Pacific Ocean?
Well, it's very hard because bad things can happen. We're lucky. We've only had one problem.
True.
Our sail.
Yep.
We've heard that many other people had problems, like a boat called the Nautilus. Their water tank busted, and a wave came over, and all their electronics got
That was
dumped.
Vega, yeah. Water went in their hatches, and they lost everything that was on the salon table. Computers and phones. I hate learning from other people's mistakes, but at least it's better than learning from our own.
You selfish turd! That's terrible!